150 yan. Tama ba?
Hi, our order just arrived. We're gonna taste it first because this is our first time here in Morong, Bataan. We are here in Loleng Puchuan. Loleng Puchuan. We're going to rate this one. First impression. Dito mo niya. You try. Dapat alas yung taste it first. No. Then I sex. Hinakita natin. It's good, right?
The vegetable is quite
And then cut na no.
And the broth is very warm and
we're gonna taste it.
savory.
So hot no.
there's tawag dito sa mga to, tawag dito
Spices.
condiments ba?
Condiments.
Condiments ba? Okay. Ba't tinatanggal niyo yun? Now, since the first we tried this, we're not really satisfied on this. So, we're gonna lagay some condiments right here.
Hi.
What do you want me to put in your
A bit spice.
sriracha?
No. Spice.
Pati?
How was it?
Oh, okay. Let's tell muna sa mga audience na they have condiments. So, condiments po nila here is we have suka,
Vinegar.
pati fish sauce, sriracha, and toyo.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce. And black pepper.
Bell
And
pepper.
they also have basta water, chili oil. Wait lang. Everything ko yung video.
I think we need condiment. Yes, as someone na lang. Because I believe
They also have spices here, condiments. We have here fish sauce, sriracha,
Vinegar. Soy sauce.
black pepper, and
Hi.
Chili oil.
chili oil. Yeah.
What do you want to put in?
Ano na bang So,
Soy sauce?
What do you want?
I don't know.
Fish sauce, are you sure?
What do you want? Go pick one. Anything you want.
Halo-halo. Oh, taste first.
Did you put na? In fairness, I don't want anything aside from that.
That's better
I
than
think soy sauce is the best because I don't want chill.
a bit salt.
Don't like it.
Taste gets better.
Those chicken. Chicken. I think it's chicken.
There's also chicken here pala.
Not just
Also, okay. Before ano?
Parang puti.
Ano yung dish ng laman?
Try to put.
Thank you guys.
Later.
Mag-time lapse tayo.
Halo-halo.
Ay, wait lang.
Ako na bahala mag-fast forward.
That's our order. So, bye muna guys. We're gonna eat, but baka pa nag-eat kami. We're gonna time
Guys, I just say
May mga cloud chaser dito.
yeah.
I feel like
I suggested.
it's plain. I don't know.
I suggest if you want halo-halo,
But maybe that's
go
how...
do yourself. Don't buy
Ito na, this
Pwede na ba kainin yung bang meat?
but I feel like
Pwede na ba yung bang meat? Pwede na ba kainin yung bang meat? Ay, bang meat.
One minute.
Oo.
I don't know.
Or
I just
mamaya
don't
na.
like
Hiwalay yan.
Hey, is it late?
Pwede na yun.
Guys, the halo-halo is
Saan ang chicken ba?
there's fries. Just fries. For its amount. Yeah. For 100 pesos.
as someone who likes food, like parents and mommy, I like to
Meron ako nga
still there's something missing. Yeah, there's still missing na
I don't.
I don't feel it. I don't feel the food.
Basta hindi siya satisfied. Guys,
I don't feel
halo-halo is fries. But in terms of the taste, it's pretty much
masarap na.
But if you're
Masarap na talaga.
not the toppings. Kasi there's a lot of
If you have money,
ingredients.
if you have money,
Ano yung sasabihan
Ah,
ng place? Kasi after nito, hindi na yung think that baka after mga pag na-have na natin yung
it's a lot of there's a
ano
lot of
sabi okay, it's worth it. But for me, hindi, wag na, wag na. Huwag natin sabihin
There's
half.
still missing.
Uy,
So,
nasobrahan na sa
no, hindi pa nagbibig ko kami ng time lapse.
I-rate nyo na lang sa rate nyo. Tapos, i-recommend nyo ba siya kung anong lasa, kung anong ingredients, kung anong laman lahat.
Yes.
And ano,
I rate it as
So, that's it.
8.5.
I'm gonna rate this. Anong tawag dito?
Ocho.
So, I'm gonna rate this ganun. I'm
Ocho
gonna rate
like
this
that?
8. Your 8.5.
I feel like there's still missing it.
8 out of 10.
I rate it as
I'm a picky eater, so I don't like too many vegetables on my meal. Picky eater, so I don't like vegetables, but that's a lot of vegetables. Patuloy na natin siya.
that's good. That's good na there's a lot of vegetables. And hindi siya
Ganun na lang yung kain-kain na lang. Yung kain-kain na lang. So yeah, ganun na pinabili ko lang. So yeah, hi guys. So we nearly finished our we almost hi guys, we almost finished our food. But we can't anymore because we have something to eat.
I recommend it only for those who want to try something. Yeah. It's
So hi guys, we nearly
like
almost finished our
you
food.
like
But
parents, mommy, and like this is so for it's about food shop because kasi no, it's not because I feel like there's so much different.
so hi guys. So we nearly almost finished our food, but we gonna rate first.
We're going to
So what's your rate on
nice for me. If there's no hot spices, just hot is but
Gusto mo lagyan ng ano?
if it is paired with spices and
Gusto mo ba?
fish, so
Try na.
it's better with condiments. Yeah.
She rate it as
Maybe I will give
I rate this as I rate it 8 out of 10 because
Lagyan natin.
I don't like this much vegetables
We're going
on
to
my
add some chili.
because I'm not picky.
It's what's that?
So yeah, I just rate this as
Chili oil.
so
Chili oil.
for the friend.
Madami yan niya kayo. Sino pa ba? Wait lang, wait lang.
I think 50 pesos for this one bowl.
It's enough.
Very cheap. If you are vegetable lover or you're not a picky eater, it's very good.
Yeah, too much.
It's very good for
Put too much.
Ay, okay. Tapos na natin. And for the price, it's good for 50 pesos. It's very good.
Too much?
If you're not
So sorry.
picky eater or you like vegetable like that, you're gonna love this.
Yeah. Recommended to people who love. Masarap na.
Ano yan? Okay, wait lang. Because this noodles are I know. Because next one has a lot of vegetables.
Next thing that we got
They also have they also have chicken inside,
Okay.
toge, and
Cabbage.
cabbage. Yeah. And
There's
that's
also some meat, chicken.
yeah.
Pwede mo lagyan ng tilo.
Let's see. Ayun dito next. So we're gonna eat next is
Yes, it's recommendable.
tissue. Kumakain ba kayo? Pwede pahigo pa. Na?
Ito?
Ubusin na natin mga pizza.
Hindi mo talaga ubos? Ayaw mo?
Ako talaga dito. Kami dyan ang gulay.
Ano ang mga bubuhay sa mga? Hindi ka bubuhay.
I like that.
Ulitin natin yun. Yung rate natin mamaya. Isin natin yung
Ang halos.
sentence.
From Lawrence.
Okay niyo yun?
Sa best of
Kasi mas ano siya? Paano kung mukha siyang scripted kung walang mali? Right?
Yun, guys, I'm the one eating it.
Gawin sila natin.
It's the difference.
It's not in the mood.
I'll use the all.
Sa one. We nearly almost finished our food. So hi guys, we nearly almost finished our food. So we're gonna wait.
Ghost cook the ano.
So
Look.
I wait.
Let's
For me, I like to ask mine over there.
as for the girls.
But chips up is for the butter. It's much better with condiments such as chili oil or fish sauce. It's much better because the taste become more delicious and more yummy.
That's sago because there's a lot.
No,
that's beans. Sago is
I don't really like vegetables
Yeah.
and noodles. I don't really like that combination. Because
No, no, for
I don't like eating
What do you call
vegetables.
all the
And also,
ingredients is sago.
so yeah.
It's
For
sago.
this, for the price
I
of
don't
50
know.
pesos, I can get this.
That's my knowledge.
With a lot of toppings, noodles, broth, yung toppings naman ko eh. We have lettuce, cabbage, meat, tsaka toge. So
We
yeah,
also have spring onion
yeah.
and fried garlic. Fried garlic. Yeah.
So yeah, for 50 pesos you can get this. So I recommend this to people that really like to eat noodles with vegetables. But I don't really recommend this with people na picky eater. Yeah, like me. So, isa pa.
Sabaw na talaga.
Take two ng ano ng recommending. So, yeah, I recommend this for the people na mahilig sa gulay and not picky one like me. So, we're gonna move on to the next one, which is halo-halo. Tili na lang. Tili na lang. Basta sinabi ko halo-halo kayo na yung sa'yo. Sa kanila yung bangkay.
Paano namin natin? Okay lang makamali.
Ay, hatiin daw yung
Sige, patiin na.
Pahiwa mo sa kanila. Hindi sa
Masarap si Kato.
Pwede ba daw ito pahiwa?
Guys,
Pahiwa.
hatiin mo na lang. Sarap naman sa inyo yung tinapay. Ipakita niyo yung laman niyo.
Oo, ganyan.
Ay, pakita niyo naman.
Ganyan mo yung
Guys, alam niyo ba ano?
ay, ano?
Unlisop yung... Unlisop. Pwede dito yun? Unlisop dito yun? Ah, wala na tayong susupa sama.
Ito yung kutsara ng ano.
Uy, nag-alcohol ako ha.
Kasi dito pag linig.
The feeling
Sarap ng ano. I can't, ano.
Ulit tayo sa
Uy, dapat nakikita ko. Ito lang.
happy joke.
Alin yung araw?
Gusto niyo sa place, guys?
May pala tayo. Yan na natin sa kanila yun. Sorry. Gusto mo? Tomato lang ako. Ito mo.
Magkano din ba sila?
So, laman. So many. Uy, may sabaw. First bite.
Sabang ano?
I'm gonna do the first one.
Ayun, saba.
Tayo sa place.
Wala ba isang ano? Kasalo?
Nam-nam.
Sorry guys, nakapag-read na kayo. Pinag-read na kayo. Okay, so now, let's go to the next
Kumain na lang ba?
Bas, anong dish? Anong tawag dito? Bani. Bani, guys. So,
Hindi talaga.
Tastes good. Unlike the other one.
paano natin sisimulan? Paano niyo sinimulan yung bani?
Pero ba?
Kinagat niyo na lang agad? Okay, good.
Ano pa?
Okay, so, we're
Ayun
gonna
na.
taste this. Bani.
Bonsai na.
It's so good. It has meat on the inside.
Halo-halo.
And also, there's also
Hindi na natin ang
Mayonnaise.
what's this called? Egg.
Ah,
Yeah.
while she's eating the bun
Bani.
me, while she's eating the bun, we're gonna eat the halo.
Let's, ano,
I think
mulak natin.
as someone don't like much. I don't like halo-halo. I eat lang, but I don't like. So I think that's halo. Again, and I recommend it because it's hot here. It's a dessert. Good. That's
Paano yan?
There's no hindi siya malamig.
Kaya tayo tayo.
Tinangay ko lang.
So, yeah. Uy, ba't mo tinatang yung agad? Di pa tayo nag-DJ. Huwag may pakita. So, yeah. Let's cheers. We're gonna taste.
Hala, sorry, hindi naging pantay yung hatian sa balay.
Rate the ano. Happiness it.
Baka na ba?
Let's wait.
Especially the meat.
Yeah. The combination of meat, ham and egg is
With also a bit of mayonnaise. Yummy.
very yummy. It tastes like burger with
Tastes
I
like
rate the
shawarma.
halo-halo as 9 out of 10.
Shawarma.
tastes like
Why?
burger
Yummy.
with shawarma.
I don't like halo.
So I'm gonna
Why?
rate.
But I like ice cream. I
Let's
love
rate
ice
it,
cream. I love ice cream.
Let's start with this. What's your
So
rate?
yeah,
Yes.
let's
Oh, no.
rate. I rate this 9 out of 10
What?
Anyway,
because it's yummy, but
I rate the halo-halo as 9 out of 10. What? The halo-halo one. Then I'll rate the banh mi.
Vegetable?
Oh, I like
Hindi, wala
it.
akong vegetable.
9.5 out of 10. I like
kulang
it.
sa ano.
Yes.
Okay na, 10
Ang laki
na
isa dito ba?
para di na
No. I like it. It has a lot of
So yeah, let's rate it. I rate this as a 9 out
It
of
has a lot of veggies, but
For me,
it
Ayan, over 10
Yeah,
because
it's
I really
not
love
so
this.
sarap.
I really love it.
It's not plain.
Yeah. So
There's a
that's it
lot
for
of
today. Thank you guys for watching.
not just the
And I
nakakaumay.
I don't know. I recommend this.
It's not nakakaumay. Not just the
cravings for a burger and
topping niya?
and shawarma. Kasi it tastes like
meat
it tastes like that. It tastes like
Ano
that.
yung meat niya doon?
It tastes like burger at the same time shawarma. I don't know. Bye guys.
Guys, para tayong tatagay.
So like
That's all. Enjoyed it. Overall, we rate
Ay, ubusin mo na kayo.
Overall, overall we rate it at 8.5 out of
ay yung all over pala.
Overall, I rate
An overall rate for the food here and it's also I rate
7.5 out of
9 out of 10 because they also
the
have
only thing I like. I love the
We
bun.
like to
Pinay
see.
foods.
There's a lot of
Yeah,
food.
that's true, but
Vietnamese
I
and
like
Pinoy
it, but
cuisine.
it's
So,
plain for me.
we recommended Loleng Suchuan as a good restaurant
Yeah,
for,
it's a good restaurant.
yeah.
So it's very affordable then.
And it's also have new experiences in here as a first timers. So, yeah, you should try it.
Guys,
I like
bye!
it. Just don't love it or I'm loyal.
Parang talaga naging sino? Ayun.